Hello viewers, राजे चिजदकड़ू the English sentences with Pashto translation. Viewers, video complete to gore our channel subscribe करे. Sentence दे जमुग सरा think about that time. Think about that time. About means पअड़ख. Translation show د هغه وخت په اړه فکر وکړئ. Think about that time. Don't talk about time. Don't talk about time. د وخت په اړه خبرې مکوئ. د وخت په اړه خبرې مکوئ. Please give me a chance. Please give me a chance. مهرباني وکړئ ماته فرصت راکړئ. یو موقع راکړئ. Chance means موقع یا فرصت. Please give me a chance. Don't create problems. Don't create problems. Create معنی ده جوړول پیدا کول. Problems مسئلې یا ستونزې مه جوړوئ. Sometimes we feel good. Sometimes we feel good. feel کې باندې احساس کول. ځینې وختونه مونږ ښه احساس کوو. Sometimes we feel good. That was completely wrong. That was completely wrong. دا مکمل غلطه وا. دا مکمل غلطه وا. I know that is better for you. I know that is better for you. زه پوهیږم چې دا ستاسو لپاره غوره دي. زه پوهیږم چې دا ستاسو لپاره غوره دي. I know that is better for you. Be punctual, please. Be punctual, please. د وخت پابند اوسئ. مهرباني وکړئ. د وخت پابند اوسئ. Be punctual, please. Viewers, subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for watching.